Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I make Fox logo. So let's start first. I choose font Cinzel and create outlines and ungroup. Okay. Then we need to do is this an object path, offset path, and I think two pt is good for this an object without any outside click. You shift and right click pathfinder and cut it with this. So and ungroup. Sorry, I okay. And we need to do is to an object path, offset path. Okay, and shift and right click. Then cut it with this. Okay, and again arrange and send to. Sorry, bring to front. Yes, and object path, offset path, and okay. Then shift and right click, cut it with this. Oh, sorry. And object path, offset path. Okay. Then we need to do is shift and right click and cut it with this. Okay. So guys, if sorry, hope you like this video and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting videos. Thanks for watching. And please the size with this and align with. Okay. Then to subscribe. Thanks for watching.